mic test, mic. Yo, pre, what up? It's your boy with a new video, pare. This episode, definitely, pre, sasagot lang tayo dito ng tanong. Diretso na tayo sa tanong. Paligoy-ligoy pa. Sabi dito, kamusta po ang buhay bilang isang BSME student? Okay naman. Ano ba to? Anong tanong to, pre? Kinakamusta mo ba ako? Ako ba? Ako ba yun, pre? Ako ba yung gusto mo kamustahin? Kamusta ba ako sa BSM? Kung ganun, pre, yeah. Yeah. I'm fine. I'm doing great. Pwede tong dalawa eh. Pwede dalawa to. Kinakamusta niya ako. Pero the other half is, baka gusto niya lang malaman, di ba? Baka gusto niya rin mag-engineering or mag-mechanical engineering. We don't know. So, definitely, I'll just answer this thing, pre. And yun, sa dalawang bagay na yun. Pre, so, saan ba ako mag-start, pre? Pre. Sige. So, for those na hindi po nakakalala sa akin, I'm a mechanical engineering student. We are right now on the third year, first sem. Going strong. Sana going strong pa rin. Yeah, pre. I definitely did start this podcasting journey. Unang-una kaya ginawa ko to is to voice out, right? Yung mga bagay na sana I hope I learned earlier in the BSME course. Gusto ko sana nalaman mas earlier. That's why I did share that on the How to ME playlist. So check out nyo yung How to ME playlist. And we got our own page, pre. Yung YouTube channel natin is ginawa ko talaga siya. First of all, nagamit ko rin talaga yung channel nung nag-add na kami, pre. Doon, ginamit ko talaga yung channel. Nag-upload ako doon ng mga pinagagawa ko sa class. Even though I know, aminado ako, pre. I'm just a newbie. Still not great. Pero, I uploaded those things, pre. Kung ikaw, estudyante ka na nagka-CAD or you're just starting on AutoCAD right now, pre. Kung gusto mo matuto, huwag ka pumunta dun sa channel ko. Or, yeah, pwede mo naman puntahan yun. Kung gusto mo lang rin naman makita how I did the process. And the challenge is that I know, pre, you can make it more faster than what I did. Kasi, naiisip ko na rin, nakikita ko na, pre, kaya ko rin gawin siya ulit ng mas mabilis. Pero, I just didn't get time. So, to cut it short, pre, balik na tayo dun sa pre. Kamusta yung journey ko as a BSME student? Medyo mahaba-haba to, pre, pero yeah, sige. Yung pre, first year, di ko rin talaga alam ba't nag-BSME ako. Yung ME, nag-exam ako, first choice ko talaga ME, pre. I didn't know how did I make pasa, pre. Kasi yun nga, pre. I like science, but nung high school, elementary, pre, I know to myself, tinatakbuhan ko talaga, pre, yung math. And sadly, pre, engineering. Yo, maraming math na subject. First year, sumabak ako agad. Two of the greatest walls that I faced is, mathematics. I believe di ko siya naging issue nung entrance exam. Matibay yung pinangawakan nating stock knowledge pa rin nun, pre. Hasn't yet broken. Until, spoiler, nahihirapan ako talaga is FEMA. To cut the story short, I just don't know how to do algebra. Wala, pre, tinatakbuhan ko yun, pre. Okay naman siya, madali lang pala. Para sa akin, pre, kayang-kaya siyang aralin, pre. Kayang-kaya siyang i-absorb. Tiwala naman ako sa math ko nung dati. Nilalaban tayo, pre. Kahit wala tayong alam. Alam mo yun, yung elementary kasi, pag nasa top ka talaga, suki ka ng mga contest, ganyan. Pero, yun nga. Sad to say, pre, we got the wrong motivation. We're just driven by the money. Bata pa lang, mukha ng pera, yun. Ayun na, pre, dami tayong natutunan dyan, pre, sa pagiging money-driven or, baon-driven. Dala-dala ko yan hanggang sa pagpili ng course, Ano pa rin, nag-wish pa rin na, magka-peri. Yung sa, scholarship. Buti na lang, hindi nagka-scholarship. Ayun na, pre. Ayun nga, wala naman talaga akong tamang explanation about sa faking scholarship. Ayun na nga, consider things before diving into contracts. Magbasa-basa rin, pre. If that aligned to your goal in life, then go, man. Money, it's all about money. Ayun na, pare. Tungkol pala to sa pangamusta sa buhay ko, pre, no? First sem, okay naman siya, pre. Ang dami realizations din first sem. Kasi, first of all, ang dami kong dilemma. Lalo na nung bumagsak akong first quiz, I did told my parents na sabi ko, pre, pa, ate, kuya, ganito, babagsak ata ako. Di ata to yung course na para sa akin. Yo, guess what? We are on the third year. We're still going strong. Buti na lang. Still going strong even though yun nga, ang daming realizations. And sana earlier pre na ma-realize mo siya, or I don't know, what works for you will work for you, and what does work for me will somehow in some points it might not work for you pre. I realized na chill ka lang pre, chill ka lang. We go to the school pre because tuturuan tayo dun pre. Doon tayo matututo. That's our place to learn. We have our own pace, pre. You don't have to rush. Pre, you just have to work on your own style, pre. Kasi I believe, alam mo, pre, kung saan ka mas matututo, what approach ka matututo, and kung ano yung trip mo sa buhay. Ayun na nga. First year, first sem. Goods naman, pre. Goods naman. I've learned a lot. We learned from the first sem. So, natuto na tayo ng strategy sa second sem. The secret strategy, pre. Magkalso ka. Magkalso ka ng midterms. Number one thing na help me to survive, pre. Nagkakakalso lang talaga ng midterms. If possible. If yun nga pre, kayang-kaya mo. And I believe pre, kaya mo yan. Kaya mo yan pre. I believe in you. Ayun na nga pre. Okay naman pre, nasulit ko yung summer ko. Alam ko nakauwi pa ako ng Iloilo nito. After that, syempre, second year. Nakakatawa na, hindi pa ako marunong mag-enroll na, hindi ko na bago ata yung ano ko. Yung student data ko. First year pa din ako pre, nung first sem. First year pa rin ako ng first sem. Ang okay dun kasi, ayun, nakapasok ako ng civilian. Kahit second year na ako. Nakapasok pa rin ako naka-civilian pre ng first day. Huwag niyong gagawin yun pre. Second year na kayo eh. Ayun na pre. Medyo wala na rin talaga ako vivid memory about second year. Ang bilis lang ng oras pre. Ang bilis lang ng oras. Yung mga natutunan ko talaga ng first year, yun pa rin yung mga bagay na ginagawa ko nun pre. Para sa akin, naging sustainable siya. Sustainable in a sense na, ayun, pumapasa naman ako somehow. And I can do things that I wanted to do, pre. Isipin mo yun, pre. Natapos ko yung One Piece. I mean, nakahabol ako, pre. Starting from episode 1. What an achievement. Nanood ng One Piece eh. Sa Egghead na ako, pre. Basta yun ang mahalaga. Nasa Egghead na ako. Yes, sir. Ikaw, nasa ka na ba? Pagpatuloy mo lang yan, par. Ayun na nga, pre. Nahabol natin yung One Piece. Dahil sa first year na yun. Kasama na rin yung bakasyon dun. Uy, pero mag-aaral ka. Ginagawa ko lang, pre. Pag nagugas akong plato, nanonood akong One Piece. Ha? Ano ba to? Boasting my achievements na walang kwenta. Ayan, pre. If sa tingin mo wala kaming buhay, pre, nakapag-immortal pa ako, pre, ng ML. Nang di bumabagsak. Ay. What an achievement. Joke. Ayun na nga, pre. And ano makukuha natin na, pre? Na if you can manage your time, pre, everything is possible. Uy! Everything is possible. And I believe na mas maging more efficient pa yung mga bagay na gagawin mo than what I did. Kasi I just wasted those times indulging. Ayun na nga, pre. So, currently, I'm on third year. Overrated, pre. Kaya pag may mananakot sa inyo, pre, ako na nagsasabi sa inyo, kaya nyo yan, pre. Kaya nyo yan. Huwag kayo maniwala dun sa mga nagsasabi sa inyo, ay, ang hirap ng DE. Hala, ganun. Sabagay, pero mahirap naman. Pero if you have those skill set, pre, na tinuro ko sa How to ME, pag nasa puso mo, nasa buhay mo yun. Ay, wag. Wag, bumagsak kayo. I mean, pre, kung may mapupulot ka man sa How to ME, yun lang yung magkalso ka, pre. Magkalso ka. Yun lang, pre. Yun ang ginawa ko sa DE, pre. Nagkalso lang ako eh. Tapos, nag-ML na ako nung finals. Ayun, pre, from the top, make it drop. At least pasado. Yo, wag mong gagawin yun. Delikado, pre. Delikado sa buhay. Pero, it's possible. You don't have to pressure yourself, pre. You just have to set the things that you really wanted to achieve in life, in school, and the things that you do, pre. Yun lang naman. Baka trip mong maging malupit na estudyante, then go, pre. I won't stop you from that. Skinny shiro. Ayun na nga, pre. Yun lang naman yung journey ko, pre. Sana may natutunan kayo. Or, I mean, thank you sa pangangamusta, pre. I'm fine. I'm great. I'm doing great. Dito pa rin ako, pre. Dito pa rin tayo. Nag-push through pa rin tayo, pre. Sana regular pa din. Thank you for pangangamusta sa akin. Ako na tayo, pre. The other side of this question. Kung gusto mo maging BSME, here are the things that you must expect kung gusto mo talaga mag-BSME. Ano lang, pre. Just check out How to ME. May playlist yan, pre, sa YouTube, sa Facebook. Meron yan. Pre, video end. If you wanted to be a BSME, pre, it's great. Yan, may buhay pa rin naman talaga, pre. Like what I've said kanina, like, I can still do my things. And I can still perform somehow. Sa BSME, lahat naman na subject, pre, makaaral mo naman. Kaya naman sinabi ko, sa How to ME, you must do advanced studies. Magkalso ka talaga kung kaya mo. Ayun lang, practice problems, pre, will save your life definitely. And then, my senpai tip is to find your own style of learning. Find your why in doing things. And pag nahanap mo yung why na yun, pre, go for that thing na gusto mong i-pursue. Keep up, pre. I know there's a lot of challenges. Open up yourself for failure. So at the same time, pre, fight, pre. Fight to bounce back in your position. If bumagsak ka, pre, okay lang, pre. Okay lang yung magkamali. But ang importante is how you get up and what you did to get up. Ayun lang, pre. Find your own style. In life, pre, lahat tayo dyan, freestyle, pre. Kung masyadong pressure sa ibang tao, be your own best friend na kasama mong matuto in your journey. There's a lot of factors. There's a lot of things that might affect your decisions, your life as a BSME student or an aspiring BSME student. Hanapin mo yung reason why you chose a course. Kasi, pre, at the end of the day, pre, ikaw rin mag-earn yan. And at the same time, you are the one who will definitely, pre, suffer in the consequences of the things that you put yourself into. And ayun, pre, have that sense of responsibility to yourself. Life is good, pre, and I hope you find good in life too. I'm Sisio Pedro, always telling you, pre, na I love you.